They make it look like storms. They mimic things sometimes. Like make it look like kids or a storm. There's a double parallel coming right up. Like a leg. Right up towards that formation. Alright, go ahead and zoom in. Folks, stay tuned. What's that little dark spot right in the middle? Hawks are going off. Right there. It's kind of cross branches up above it, isn't it? Yeah, like here comes the kids. The four-wheelers, they know they can't get back here. My too high, too low. At the end of it over here. Under that, there's a little glowing in there. Orby looking thing. Check out this area. I'm about to walk across this little bridge of logs here, and it is picturesque, but there are structures up in here. You see that tree that's bent, and then that bender's leaning up on the top of it right up there, the very top, and this one's bent around. Logs bent back and forth. I see these, they're structures. I'm gonna go sit in it, and I don't like to just I'm gonna do that. I like to save that for later and sit around them, but that's the safest haven for me with all this water around and snakes and tall. I'm gonna cross over, sit in it, then I'm gonna film and do my Bigfoot stuff, and that's the plan here with all the structures. In fact, I hear stuff slithering up behind me. I see a lot of them. I think it's a good spot if I can get across. So the question is this bridge that they made me strong enough to be your man? And I don't know. I think I'd rather reinforce it, to tell you the truth. There's the dead. There's the one a little bit bigger more. Yep. And here we go. Look at this one. That's all water, but it still looks very structurally stormed. Like sometimes they fool you, and other things I think it's a kid or it's a storm, or they just take advantage of the storm and the kid, and they go along with that. Yep, that's definitely a leaner. The storm and the kid, and they go along with that. Yep, that's definitely a leaner. The storm and the kid, and they go along with that. Yep, that's definitely a leaner. Oh, cool. The hawks are exiting. That's what that means. Yeah. I ain't messing around. See right there? He's right. That's a hawk. That's not no crows.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Territory right over me. Hey, this is Dan the Man. My real name's Damien. Some people starting to call me the Bigfoot guy. I have some new interesting place. Crows. They eat things. Maybe dumpsters. Hawks already, but this is ATV park. All these trailers have motorcycles, and they go down there to these shoals on the Florida-Georgia line. Here's my hawk flying around here over this field. So I got to find a way to walk around, find my Bigfoot structures and activity. They're often near the beginning, you know, but I think, you know, is it walkable with all this activity? That tree that's bent, and then that bender's leaning up on the top of it, right up there, the very top, and this one's bent around. Logs bent back and forth. See these, they're structures. I'm gonna go sit in it, and I don't like to disturb them and do that. I like to save that for later and sit around them. But that's the safest haven for me with all this water around and snakes and tall. I'm gonna cross over, sit in it. Then I'm gonna film and do my Bigfoot stuff, and that's the plan here with all the structures. In fact, I hear stuff slithering up behind me. I see a lot of them. I think it's a good spot if I can get across. So the question is this it's crisscrossed over and under and crisscrossed and bent. It looks like a giant storm, yeah. Besides this little trident stick. So that stick, I just got the hawk's attention. Hello! Mentioned earlier, a couple weird. Here's the water. Go! 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 Look at that one. Can't get back here. Too high, too low. At the end of it over here. Forest rules. Crisscrossed again. See what I'm talking about? Language. Back over. Go, go! I don't know why they got unharmed for a couple hours, but man. Now they're coming at me. It's like a jack. That one, that call means I got food or come here. Kind of like the Jurassic Park. That's what that means. Yeah. I ain't messing around. See right there. He's right. That's the hawk. That's not no crows. They're fighting over territory right over me. They know I'm down in here hunting around. Sometimes they protect right over the head of something. There's no double hawks. Those things will protect your life. There's another one across. Noticing the signs and the nature will protect your life. You want to be a good Boy Scout. Did you hear that? Woo! That's a woo. That was a long one. It's like a 3. Whoop. It's kind of like low. Right at the evening, cause see, that's why I thought it gets dark at 5:30. I gotta get out of this park at 5. They close the gates at 5. If you get stuck in here, you gotta call this phone number. 4 to 5. There's another one. Another one. Another one. No. I don't know if I can get it. That's what that means. Yeah. I ain't messing around. See right there? He's right. That's the hawk. That's not the. That's not no crows. There's another interesting black spot figure on the left here.